Hello everyone, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to my first ever vlog.
2,000 years later.
Yes, you heard it right. Today's vlog is about a makeup tutorial that I'm carrying right now, the brands that I support and the cosmetics that I use. It's a step-by-step, kind of little bit lengthy video, but I know you girls are going to love it. We're gonna come every Monday or Tuesday to our channel to upload a vlog. We will be discussing about different topics, different brands, and I hope you girls support me as you always do. And I'm super excited, kind of nervous. I'm gonna learn how to do editing, how to do vlogs, but so far I'm going to use my iPhone. And let's start the vlogs, first ever vlog. And I hope you enjoy, like, share, comment. Your support means world to me. Good morning, my gorgeous ladies. Today is a very special day for me, and it's a lucky day for you guys because you're getting ready with your own savvy. So as you girls know, I go through step-by-step process. We're gonna start very slow, step by step, so you guys understand each and every step. I'll try to talk as much as I can so I can explain you what I'm using, how I'm using, and why I'm using. So the first step I'm using, as you all know, is the primer. And the primer is very important because of the heat outside. It's summer and you need a very nice primer to your skin. So the primer that I recommend, you all know, it's Skin Glow Rivage, and it does it wonders. Like, you have to use it to experience it, and trust me, in this heat I can't even imagine doing makeup if I don't have a good primer on, and this primer does wonders. So if you want to purchase, download the application Mercati. It's available there. So once my skin is prepped, the second step I'm going to do is set my foundation, and today I'm using Scully Beauty. I don't know why, but girl, since I started using this foundation, I'm not using anything else. Literally, I'm not using anything else. Like, I mixed two shades together and I'm gonna show you the result. I can't use anything else. I can't. So let me show you the shades that I'm working on today. I have got all the shades she has, like everything that she has got. So I'm gonna use the shade called Moon Kiss with Warm Sand. These two shades I'm gonna mix and create my own. The shade is ready. We're just gonna tap all over our face, and then we're gonna blend it with the beauty blender. So basically, before I blend it with the beauty blender, right after tap, what I do is I blend with my brush as well to get that flawless, uncakey look. So you can blend either in the C-circle motion or you can tap. I love to tap because I'm gonna use my beauty blender.
2,000 years later.
So once your face foundation is done, take your beauty blender. I love Sabine Sky Cosmetics beauty blender blended. It has that soft, fluffy touch that takes away all the oil and keeps the foundation set all day long. So you really need a soft, fluffy beauty blender to blend your foundation. Now, I'm gonna tap. Like, this is how I contour my face. I like a lift up look, so I try to minimize my contour according to my face feature, if you guys can see, and it's the most easy peasy step to do. If you're having Sabine Sky Cosmetics makeup brushes, you need this small fluffy brush in a C-circle motion. Put your chin up and start to blend. The same goes, like, the jawline goes downwards and the facelift goes upwards, like that. Like, this process is literally nothing if you have the right amount of the brushes. So this is how I literally blend in a very lightweight hand and in C-circle motion. So girls, if you have the complete set of Sabine Sky Cosmetics 15 pieces blending brush set, you really don't need to struggle doing your makeup. So the small brush goes with the blending of your contour, the fluffy brush goes to the to the cheek zone area, which is the T-zone area, to blend that blush. So what we're going to do is we're going to smile and blend. So if you can see, it is completely blended within seconds. Concealer is a very important part, but if you overdo it, it literally looks like you have done something terribly wrong with your skin, and it does not give you the flawless. So for me, my go-to concealer is Born This Way by Too Faced in shade Nude, and trust me girls, it is the most long-lasting, flawless concealer you guys will ever experience. So buttery, easy to blend out. So I'm going to take my beauty blender again, and I'm going to just tap on my forehead where I have applied my concealer, and then we're going to close my eyes in a corner, on my nose, near the lips, and it is like I conceal my under eye. I just do it immediately because I don't like those crease lines. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my baking powder and I'm tapping it with my Second Sky Oval Shape Beauty Blender. Now I'm tapping it again and I'm holding it in one hand. And I'm just gonna look down and blend my inner corner so I don't look cakey or creasy. Once this is done, I'm going to take my beauty blender and conceal it immediately so that I don't get those under eye fine lines. I'm going to press. So as you bake your under eye, make sure you don't overdo it because it's gonna look so damn pretty. So as you can see, I have created a very thick structure, but that's just temporary because I want to shape them equally. You know, my one eyebrow is uplifted and one is not properly made. I don't know why, but this is my sad story. So my go-to eyebrow pencil is by Scally only, girls. If you don't have this pencil, you're not going to get this shape. So purchase it. It's the slimmest pen you will ever imagine, more slimmest than Huda Beauty. So what I do is I create straight strokes at the front and then I fill it with my gel. So we're going to create straight stroke like that, and once it's created, then take a straight line upwards, leaving one finger at the front like that all the way to the end. And then create one more from down and attach it together and then fill. I look like an angry bird. So now what I'm doing is that I'm using Second Sky slanting eyebrow cleaning brush, and all I'm doing is creating a straight line at the down and then fixing it at the corner like that, at the front straight upwards, and then fixing it from the top right there. So with my eyebrow pencil, if I need to fix anything, like for example, I want to fix from here a little bit, I want to fix from here a little bit, I want to fix at the front, I'm just going to do it with my eyebrow pencil and then conceal it and then put the baking powder on the eyebrows so it gives you the light shade of the semi eyebrows. Once both of the eyebrows are what I need, I'm going to take my baking powder and I'm going to tap. Let's go to the other section and I'm going to tap. Let it set for some time and then I'm going to use my eyebrow mascara to fixate that's all. Everyone lately is obsessed with my eyeliner trick. So basically what I do here is I take corner of my eye and I take a straight line like that, and I look down from the top. I just blend it downwards, and that's it.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is the slimmest brush that you guys can ever have for gel liners, and I'm gonna grab my Sabian Sky Cosmetics eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna grab my gel. Right there. Gonna clean it off, and I'm gonna look this way. Wait, I need a mirror. So I'm gonna look this way, and I'm gonna take a straight line out of it. You see that slim line, and I'm gonna attach. So girls, what I'm doing here is applying my favorite mascara. It's Huda Beauty Legit Mascara, and then I'm gonna take Sabian Sky Cosmetics eyelashes in SS. This is the lashes that I'm gonna use today. So let's cut them, glue them, and I'll be back. Girls, I like to use my fingers. If you have a tweezer, you can use your tweezer. Just look downwards, don't close your eyes. Grab your lashes outwards. Keep it near the waterline, and that's it. If you have a tweezer, you can use your tweezer to press the lashes in. Right there. Right there. And that's your go-to eyelashes. Like, I love SS lashes. They just give you a... So now I'm just gonna apply my mascara so both of the lashes fix together nicely, and they stay long lasting. Gonna look down. I really don't like to fill my lower lashes completely, just little.
Wait a minute! Who are you?